Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to switch to dark mode on Threads using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, now let's go to a shortcut on our bookmarks tab to Instagram, which will take us directly to our account, and make sure that you are signed into the account. Then go to profile, now go to your Threads handle, and then also make sure that you are signed into your Threads account. Go to profile. Now for us to switch to dark mode, let's now navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where we have some options. Go to appearance. We can change the appearance from daylight to dark mode to automatic depending on the time of the day. If it is dark, your web application will know depending on what time it is of the day to switch between daylight and dark mode. Let's just keep it on dark mode for the moment. Go back one. Let's now quit Threads. Go back to Threads via the Instagram handle, and we will still be on dark mode unless we change back to daylight. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.